You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this tool for screening for tuberculosis, named after a French physician, so a French name. In French it is said as Mantoux, Mantoux, silent X, named after Charles Mantoux. In English, Mantoux Test, Mantoux Test. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.